Hi, my name is Gideon Wilson, and today I will be talking about climate change. Some of the questions that we will go over are: what causes climate change? Which data supports climate change? What could be a reason that some people deny climate change? What are the advantages or drawbacks of a changing climate in the history of the Earth? And who do you think should cover the financial burden of climate change? So I want to start off with the last question because I think it is the most important. We as people have a shared responsibility to protect the earth and keep it inhabitable for our kids, our grandkids, our great grandkids, for the generations to come. And if we do not start caring more about climate change, we will not be able to inhabit the earth for very much longer. Let's look at the first question, or second question now. What causes climate change? Climate change is caused by a number of things, and the EPA of the United States, or Environmental Protection Agency, states that humans are the main drivers behind climate change. So they state that concentrations of the key greenhouse gases have all increased since the Industrial Revolution due to human activities. The three main ones are carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide, which are now more abundant in the Earth's atmosphere than any time in the last 800,000 years. But it's also important to note that humans play one of the bigger roles, but nature also influences climate change. Natural factors such as solar output, volcanic eruptions, changes in Earth's orbit all contribute to climate change. What data supports climate change? So if we look at the rising global temperatures, the melting glaciers, and the melting ice sheets, along with the changing weather patterns and ocean acidification, which is when excess carbon dioxide is absorbed into the water and makes it harmful to marine life. These are all backed by science. The United Nations website has a fact or myth, and it goes through and busts all of the myths on climate change. It gives reports, it gives fast facts, it explains. It really has everything that you're looking for when writing a research paper. Some of the facts that they state that I thought were interesting are: climate change is indeed happening. It is caused by human activity. It is a major threat to people's health, and natural gas is a fossil fuel, not a clean source of energy. When we're looking at the next question, what could be a reason that some people deny climate change? Mainly it is due to misinformation and disinformation. So the spread of false or misleading information about climate change can create some doubt and confusion, which then can lead to people saying that, oh, it's because you're on this political side or not this political side. It really it's very, very touchy in the subject matter, and that's why it is able to be denied, is because some people just don't want to believe it. Some of the advantages or drawbacks of changing climates in the history of Earth can include expansion of habitats, milder winters, and increased crop production, while the disadvantages conclude increased heat waves, coastal erosion, droughts, and ecosystems being destroyed. It's just a quick. This was just a quick little explanation of climate change. Some of the questions that people may have, and this is mainly what my research paper was about. Thank you.